Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get loan from Mshwari. So first, how to qualify for a loan. So there are three main requirements. First, be an M-Pesa subscriber for at least 6 months. Second is to save on Mshwari. Third is to actively use other Safaricom services such as voice, data, and M-Pesa. So how does it work? So these are the steps on how to get the loan, only if you are eligible. So first is to access the M-Pesa menu. Second is to select loan and savings. Third, select Mshwari. Fourth is to select the loan. Fifth, press request loan. And then next, you should enter the amount. And after that, enter your M-Pesa PIN. And then loan amount will be sent to your M-Pesa account. So finally, the loan amount to be paid will be inclusive of the facility fee. So basically, that's it.